What is up, guys? We are at the bubble factory, sorry. And we just got the basic $5 wash here in this automatic car wash thing. This is actually the one that I usually go to like in the summertime or if I'm in a quick rush to get the car clean. It does a pretty freaking good job, and for $5, my brother's Civic has been sitting. He's actually in Florida with some friends, and I figured I'd get it cleaned for him. It's been sitting, and I was just wanted to make this video for some of y'all to show you the car wash. I take the Subaru one this every so often, I'd say, especially in the summer. I'm gonna go ahead. Perfect. Make sure this window is cranked up. I don't know if you guys remember this car, actually. It's my brother's 2005 Honda Civic DX. It's like the most basic one. It's definitely seen some better days. He doesn't love it like I love my Subaru, but that's okay. I just figured I'd help him out. But yeah, we're just getting a basic wash. This is the basic $5 one. There's a couple other options, but for something simple, this does a good job, especially since I usually clean this car every once in a while for him anyway. I was actually going to take it to work, to the Lexus dealer where I work, and have it washed there, but I didn't want to drive it because I don't know if you see down here, his inspection's actually out. So I didn't really want to risk getting a ticket because this is not my, it's not my issue. My Subaru is taken care of. His windows are so damn dark back here too, because he got like super dark tint back there. Somehow it's legal, I don't know how, but yeah, this car wash isn't horrible. Again, like, I take the Subaru sometimes, especially if it hasn't been detailed in a minute, because this stuff does still kind of eat your paint, and it kind of takes the, no, it doesn't eat your paint, but it takes the wax off, and it kind of gets rid of the good layers of protectant that, you know, I have on my Subaru. So I try not to go through here much, but my brother's car, that's a different story. So he never washes it, actually. I always wash it for him. It's a very good amount of soap. A very, what do you call that? Liberal amount, I think is what you would say. I did just get new wipers for him not long ago. They seem like they're actually working pretty good. And the dryers on this one aren't bad either. I don't remember who it was. I think it was David, 11686. I was talking to him about, or I had commented on one of his car wash videos. By the way, go check him out. I was commenting about how some of the car washes, the dryers just, they suck. You can never find a perfect one, but I'll be honest, this one's pretty freaking good. So, it's not perfect, but I always bring rags with me, because it's always good to have rags. Microfibers. I think I do get a spot-free rinse too. At least I hope so. I don't know, maybe not for the $5 one. It doesn't actually tell you what you get, so yeah, we do. Sweet. But yeah, if y'all saw that one video I made of the Subaru of the horrible car wash or whatever I called it, dude, that car wash sucked. I'm sorry. Especially the dryer. I don't even think one of them was working all the way. Yeah, that's a spot free. We have a couple options here, actually. drive forward, back up, pre-soak, triple foam, clear coat, and surface protectant, and then spot free. So there's a couple options there. I'll pull the car out here too, and I'll try to show it on camera, kind of the afterward results. I don't really know how well it'll look because it's going to be dark, and obviously a little wet. I think that's it. Bro, I can't rest my hand on the door of the car because it's vibrating so bad. I believe that's it. Yep. Let those spin up all the way. I will let these dryers do their job because they last for a minute, so like, or they last for a decent amount of time. So, try to show you real quick. This is the nasty part of this car wash. People do not take care of this stuff over here, but the guy who owns this place takes care of this stuff. Ooh, okay. I guess I didn't dry it as well as I expected. But it's still clean, so it's a good sign. Yeah, it's hard to see it in the light. I mean, in the dark. Actually, though, it cleaned up well. Although the water didn't bead, so I guess it's actually my fault for not having a good wax or clearant or protectant on the car. Oh well. Anyways, that was that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys. There's the wash bays, by the way. They're actually pretty nice, as you see all the mud in this one. But the lighting is really good. I've been trying to make like a little video of the Subaru up here, but I don't know. We'll see. Look at all the trash over here, though. Anyways, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys next time.